In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Cash App. If you're looking to withdraw money from Cash App balance, you can easily do so using the Cash App mobile app. And here's how. 1. Open the Cash App mobile app on your phone. And then tap on Banking tab located on your Cash App home screen. Once you're on the Banking tab, locate and select the Cash Out option. After selecting Cash Out, you'll be prompted to choose the desired amount you wish to withdraw from your Cash App balance. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and then tap Cash Out to confirm. Next, you'll need to pick a deposit speed for your withdrawal. Cash App offers options for instant or standard deposits. Select the desired deposit speed based on your preferences and needs. And after selecting the deposit speed, you'll be asked to confirm the transaction. Enter your Cash App PIN or authenticate using Touch ID to confirm the withdrawal transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, the specified amount will be withdrawn from your Cash App balance and deposited into your linked bank account. You'll receive a confirmation notifications once the withdrawal is complete. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.